Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll explain how you can screen record your laptop screen with OBS Studio. So this is for the beginners tutorial. So complete details I'll tell you in a easy way. See, from starting, I'll tell you where you can download this. Currently, I already have this OBS Studio. See here on the search, when I search for like OBS, this app is already available. I'll tell you how you can download this also. So I'm just clicking on run normally. First of all, I'll just show you the interface. Then see here, this is the interface of the OBS Studio, what you'll see. So just for the moment, I'll just minimize this. I'll open my Chrome browser here. In the Google, I'll just type it as, I'll be browsing through Google, and here OBS Studio download, I'll be searching this, and downloading and installing is very easy. You can open this and you can click on download the installer here, or get it from Microsoft Store. Anything is okay. See, this is from the Microsoft Store. If you can directly install, that app will get installed. Okay, say for example, now you have successfully installed this. If you still don't know how to install this program, I already did a separate video, just check in the description. Okay, now this is the first time when you open OBS, this is what you'll see. And see here, scenes, sources, audio mixer, scene transitions and controls. Okay, for you this sources will be empty, nothing will be here. Okay, maybe I just right clicked on here. See here, if I click on remove here, I'm just saying yes. So this is what you'll see. So now nothing will be recording. This is what the interface you'll see for the first time when you open the OBS Studio. Now we should give what to capture. I want this complete laptop screen to be captured. So what I'll do is, I'll be just clicking on this plus here, and audio input capture, yes, audio output capture, and display capture I need to select. Means I want my screen display to be captured. I'm just clicking that, and I'll keep the name as display capture only. No issues with that. I'll be just clicking on OK. And capture method, in the drop down I'll keep it to automatic, and in the display my full resolution. Okay, select the display to capture. If I click on OK here, okay, only half part of the screen now has been selected, but I don't want that. I want full screen to be captured. Okay, full screen is now being captured, and here in the control section, start streaming. Streaming is the sense, if you have Twitch channel or YouTube live streaming, then you can use this. I already did a detailed video on how to stream on OBS Studio and connect your Twitch and everything. You can find the link in the description. For now, I'll show you screen recording. When you click on start recording, see here the timer at the bottom will be counting the time, means all this is getting recorded. So whatever the action I do here, okay, if I create a folder here, and whenever you want, you can just open here and stop recording. You may ask, like, there is no pause here. If at all, if you want to pause, what is the control button? It is nowhere. You can see here the pause button. You can just click on the settings here, and general appearance, video, general, hotkeys you can click, and see here there are list of items available, right? Start streaming, stop streaming. This pause recording is there, right? Here you can just click on this plus symbol. Okay, maybe you can give the letter P here, P for pause. Okay, I'm just clicking like OK. Yeah, see here I just gave pause recording for P and unpause recording for our resume in the sense, and just click on apply here at the bottom and click on OK here. And now when you click on start recording, just press pre for pausing the video and press R for resuming the video at point of time. So once you're done with the stop recording, means the recording has been done. Where you can get these videos, you can get these videos at by clicking on file here and clicking on this show recordings here. When you click on show recording, these are all the recorded videos. Just you can, yeah, see here the top one. When you click on this, this is the one video. See here the timer general symbol thing like OK. So yeah, I'll just mute this one. So okay. Yeah. So this is the video which I recorded with OBS Studio. Likewise, you can also screen record your laptop with this OBS Studio, which is of absolutely free. And if you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.